Hello and welcome to Baking Bad. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing biscuits that you can share with your dog because there's just 3 ingredients and they're also suitable for vegetarians and vegans. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. Alright, these are the ingredients that you're going to need for these healthy biscuits. 2 bananas, 5.8 ounces or 162 grams of oats, 4.55 ounces or 129 grams of peanut butter, and that's about it. So let's get stuck in and make some healthy biscuits. Okay, the first thing that you're going to need to do is blend the oats into a fine powder, and that way then we can add the other ingredients. So let's give this a go. Alright, so we have the oats in the blender. Let's give them a blend into a fine powder. In my blender. Yeah man. Here we go. Alright, as you can see, the oats are now blended into a real nice fine powder. So I'm going to add the peanut butter and the bananas. Okay, all the ingredients are in the blender now, so I'm going to give them all a mix together. And I can tell you now, these biscuits are great. You know, if you want to eat them yourself, just add a bit of sugar. If they're for you and your dog, leave the sugar out of it. So, or if they're just for your dog, then don't put the sugar in there. But they're really good and they're really healthy. So anyway, let's get these all mixed together. Once you have the mixture formed into a dough, just like this, turn it out onto a floured surface, grab a rolling pin and roll it out until it's about an inch thick, maybe half an inch. Once you've rolled it out into a nice flat shape like this, about half a centimetre, maybe half an inch thick, then you can start cutting it out with, in this case, a heart-shaped cookie cutter. So cut some shapes out. You can use any shape you want really, and once you've got them all cut out, onto a baking tray with some baking paper, and then we'll stick them in the oven. Okay, now they're all cut out and I've got them on a sheet of baking paper in the oven. We're going to cook these for 25 minutes at 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees C or gas mark 4. Let's get these started. Okay, these look about done. They're a nice golden brown colour. The timing, 25 minutes. It may be a bit longer than that, maybe a bit less. It depends how thick you cook them. So, I'm going to get these served up on a plate. I'm going to try one myself and I shall give one to my dog. And there we have it. Don't they look great? Just 3 ingredients. And I'd just like to take the opportunity to say a big thank you to everyone that's subscribed all over the world. And, well, stay tuned for more. Catch you later.